Okay, so let's open this first. The same. Or Ray-Ban, Meta are the same. So the case is different. Where's the charging port? It's here. The charging port. Then you open it this way. And scan QR code to get started. So what else? There's a charging USB cable here. A USB-C to USB-C cable and a cloth. Let's put this aside. And Meta display reference guide. Let's see. Keep the glasses in case and remove the pull tab. After pairing, slide the glasses. Okay, so this is the instruction. So you have to put it here, and then you have to pull this one. Okay, and you will remove this. If you notice, it starts blinking already. So we will start to pair it with the Meta apps, Meta AI apps. Let's add it. So it is the set up the glasses. LED, okay. Searching, it find it. Connect. Pairing, pair. Pairing. Okay, it's paired already. Now pair the band. So we have to open this. How do you open this? To open this, and how do you get this? Okay, there's a wire for charging, I guess. Then let me move this forward. We will look at the inside later. Now, continue. So we have to remove this. This line face you. Okay. Okay. Now, turn on the band. Okay. How do we turn? By holding it for 2 seconds. One, two. Okay. I feel the vibration already. And you will feel okay. And then okay, the LED is already lighting here, so we will, yes, okay, it found it. Connect, pairing, pair. I'm feeling a vibration. Paired. And it's downloading update again, so we have to wait again. putting this down while it's downloading update. Okay, while it's updating, let's look. So this one comes with charging cradle, USB-C charging cradle. Okay, charging cradle. So you did this, and we will not be needing this anymore. And what else? The other item in the box includes safety and warranty. Start with your glasses first. Okay, how to wear it, and wear it at your wrist bone here, and then snap lock it. Then how to charge it. So when you charge it, this one should be up. Okay, so that's a guide. So the capture button is that one on top, and then the touchpad, and then the capture LED, the camera, and display wave. There's a display wave here. And then there's a speaker, and then the microphone, two microphone, and then the power switch, and then notification LED. Okay, let's install the update. Installing the update first. Join, continue, enable voice control, stored voice control. Next, share data. Okay, how to properly wear. We're going to wear it on the right side. Okay, line facing you. To do this, release this. Okay. And then wear this one. The line should be facing you. Jacket. Okay. Should be wearing it above the knuckle. This line facing you. And then, yes, that's it. Check the alignment. Position. Lock and snug. Final fit, yes. So, preview frame. Check your message. Get help. Solve everyday problem. Caption and translate. So these are the feature. They teach me when I bought it, okay? So you control your hand this way, up, down, left, right. This is the click. This is the select or back click. This is the select or back click. This is the click. And then you hold it this way, up, down, left, right. So that is the control. Up, down, left, right, click, back click, or select. So we will try this later. It's still updating, so we have to wait for it to update. I buy this at the Meta store and they teach me. I guess it's still better to buy it in the store because they will teach you. although it's simple, they told you that this has to be aligned here and then where it's somewhere here, and it should be fit, okay, and then the control. So that's just the control for this one. Up, down, left, right, click and double click. Let's wait for it 5 minutes. Okay, continue. Now, let's look. Okay, I need to put it in my eyes. I have to wear it now. Continue to set up in mobile app. Now, I'll just put on the default first. Put the glass. Continue to the next step. Take photo. Okay, it's asking me to take a photo. Okay. And then
Now, pretend you're a movie director and find something you want to film. Press and hold the capture button to.
okay. Now let's close it.
Great! You captured your first video. Next, this is your home. Here, you'll find your notifications so you can stay on top of your day. To the left is your control center, and to the right are your apps. To go right, swipe your thumb along the side of your index finger. Cool. Here are your apps. Swipe down until you find the Photos app. To select photos, tap your index finger to your thumb. This is where you can see your photos and videos. Next, you'll learn how to go back or exit an app. To go back, quickly tap. You can use this gesture anytime you want to go back or exit an app. Next, you'll head back home to learn how to control volume with a music track. To change the volume, hold your index finger to your thumb and turn your wrist just like you're turning the volume knob. Keep your fingers pinched and rotate your hand. Make sure to keep your fingers pinched. And that's it. Now let's resume the tour. Gesture and the volume. You'll learn how to sit in quickly tap your middle finger to your thumb twice. Perfect. Keep going. Now for the last part, Meta AI. You can start conversations with Meta AI.
What am I looking at?
The feature isn't available yet in your region. Cool, right? That's just one of the many things Meta AI can do. You're all set. To get the most out of your glasses, connect your music and messaging apps back on the mobile app. Thanks for taking the tour.